Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create a bar graph in a cell in Microsoft Excel. So how to create a bar graph in a cell in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Here I have a shop percentage table that will be strengthened with a bar graph in the cell. First, block all the percentage numbers that will be made into a bar graph. Go to the Home menu. Drag to the right, tap Conditional Formatting. Tap Data Bars. Here the data bars model options appear. For example, I choose this one. Now here the bar graph has appeared in the cell. Blue color for positive. Red color for minus percentage. Now how if you want to separate the graph and data? How to? Tap all data and graphs. Then copy. Move to the next cell. Tap and paste. Here we edit first adjust. And change the title to Profit Graph. Next here we remove the graph. How to? Block all the percentage numbers that will be deleted from the bar graph. Go to the Home menu. Tap Conditional Formatting. Tap Clear Rulers. Tap Clear Rules form selected cells. Here the graph is gone and only the percentage numbers remain. Next we remove the percentage value in this cell. Block all the percentage numbers that will be deleted. Go to the Home menu. Drag to the right, tap Conditional Formatting. Tap Manage Rules. And tap Data Bars. And tap Edit. The Edit menu will appear. In the Show Bar Only section we check. And tap OK. Here we can see the percentage data has disappeared. The benefit of bar charts in cells is to visualize data in the form of bar charts directly within the cells, making it easier to compare values and identify patterns or trends in the dataset. So that's it, the tutorial how to create a QR code in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.